Did you ever wonder what the Perillo Tours World Headquarters looks like? Let's take a look. In 1988, my dad Mario built it to resemble an 18th century Italian palazzo. But his first stroke of genius was to eliminate all parking in the front of the building. His second great idea was to place this marble replica of Michelangelo's David right in the center of the piazza. This David is a 6-foot tall replica of Michelangelo's original 17-foot statue in Florence. Come on, Dave, let's see more of the building. This is where our travel specialist will talk to you or your travel agent to book that dream vacation with Perillo. Say hi, everyone. Thank you, thank you. And here's my office, my favorite place to be, most days. President Richard Nixon was so impressed when he saw our lobby, he made part of the building his offices from 1990 to the end of his life. Obviously, we have great artwork in the lobby and all around the building. For instance, this Sicilian cart is a 100-year-old antique. It was used by farmers to carry stuff around the farm, and they're always very ornate. In fact, this tells the whole story of Columbus's discovery of the New World on the side, and it's one of our prized possessions. It would ordinarily be pulled by a donkey, but any ass will do. Thanks for joining me on this short tour of our headquarters. You know, people who come here feel like they've already visited Italy, but it's not the real thing. So give us a call or have your agent call us to book a real Perillo tour to Italy. So, ci vediamo in Italia.